Hey guys, this is Bhavna Sharma from Surprista Design, and today we are going to dive into the waves of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence industry doing in 2023 and what exciting features it's going to introduce currently? So without any delay, let's get started. So which one was the first AI in India? It was created by Professor H.N. Mahabala in 1951, and it was a set of natural language processing, creating data exactly as human brains. So what exactly is AI? AI is a set of programs trained with real-world human data to create human nature-driven results. And we can see the revolution of AI in our everyday activities. Right now, as a developer and designer, they use AI every day. Such tools available as ChatGPT in the market, and Fin.com is also a competitive AI introduced recently. Fin.com gathers all the real-time data into a place and shows the user according to its requirements. So what are the new tools other than ChatGPT? You can also use Google Bard AI and Gravity Write as a good content writer and researcher. AI always helps in the everyday activities or user requirements with their efficient search results. So, does AI really going to steal your job? Not really. If you are going to train yourself with the AI, even you are going to create new opportunities for yourself. With AI, you can develop your knowledge as well as you can train the data regarding to your niche. And you can also explore and expand your portfolio with the use of AI every day. According to the industry report, John McCarthy was the father of artificial intelligence, and he gathered all the neural networks together, and with the hardware definition language, he processed all the data inside a set and created a picture exactly like human brain. So as a human yourself, you process the data and then answers. AI exactly does the same thing. For designer, the new and powerful tool coming into the industry is called Designer Microsoft. With Designer Microsoft, you can actually create the real world like images and can integrate them into your project to create amazing results for your clients. So see, the opportunities are getting bigger and you have to keep up with the use of AI and get habitual with their working process. So how AI is making a bigger place in the industries? See, according to a research report in India, even doctors are using AI currently these days to diagnose patients' problems. Even farmers are using new resources to experiment with their crops. And even all the other retail industrial experts are using AI to create new type of automated products for their users. So AI is not really stopping there. It's going to be developed in a large processing model, and sooner you will see the social AI also. Social commerce is really booming these days, and according to the Gartner, AI market is going to be expected exponentially by 2025 at the amount of $672.11 billion. So it's going to be very exciting for the upcoming future years, and I'll suggest you to try out the new marketing AI tools also. So folks, you just don't have to stop here. Start your AI journey today and create a bigger AI together. And that's a wrap, my AI amigos. You're going to be on a greater ride in AI tech adventure. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming AI revolutions and to know more about tech updates. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.